Hi everyone, Sunday 26th of Feb. Um, this is Dow Jones. I've got three charts that I'm using, or I'll show you for this one. This is my first one, Billy Basic one. Um, Primary trend line from the downtrend when it broke out became bullish. It's then gone into consolidation on the 8 hour. So this is a consolidation zone that I've encapsulated. It is coming to the bottom of that zone now. So it's a case of whether it's going to get a bounce out of here, respect this level, and whether this area will remain support. That's sitting around the 32,500-ish. If it breaks there, I'd imagine it's going to come back and have a look at this trend line. If it holds here, and obviously just carry on within this zone or area that we've got. That's just a basic chart. Little look. This is my support and resistance zones. As you can see on this one, obviously I treat this as just an area. It's come from the top zone, took out the center zone, turned support into resistance, and it's now right at the bottom of this one. Again, break out of here, and it's going to come and have a look at the trend line, I think. So it is looking a little bit more bearish for me, but obviously it's not quite bearish yet, because it hasn't sort of dropped out of this consolidation area. Although it's a big consolidation area, it's still within it. So let's chuck it on something I day trade. So here's my fib setups. So key levels for me, I'm looking at, let's put this on the hourly or 2 hourly. So we had a minor consolidation zone up here, dropped out of that. So 33,681 to the upside. I'd want to see, for more bearish action, I'd want to see that hold or reject out of there. Before that, 33,167. That's another area that needs to hold really. 32,926 to 32,551. So that's the area that I'm looking at the moment. Obviously a little bit of stuff in the middle, but these are minor ones really. 70 to a 61. Really, I'll be looking at the 76 to the 61, which is 32,551 downside, 33,167 upside. If it drops out of this 32,697, call it 700, then I'll definitely be looking for this 32,551 to act as next support. If that breaks, my next major extension here, 123, which is 32,287. That's the 123 extension off of pre-COVID highs. So that's quite a key level that it could come to. The number above, I think that was the 950. Yeah, so it's up here. 950 is the one above. So it's come out of there. Generally speaking, if it comes out of one, it generally goes to the other. If it's going to have continuation to the downside and be more bearish, so 32,287 would complete that setup. So for the moment, probably more bearish on this at the moment, although it's not fully bearish because of that other chart I showed you with the consolidation. So it's whether it gets a bounce out of this area here. 32,551 is going to be the area to do that, I would have thought. That needs to hold. Again, if that goes, I'll be looking for the 287. Tricky trading this week, I think. Could go either way for me. 33,167 above, 32,551 below. Cheers.